It is the Audi A8 that possesses all of the characteristics that define a full-size premium sedan, an interior that is roomy and quiet, a style that is modest and regal, a power plant that is adequate but not quite the best in its segment, and a chassis that is quite nimble. There is a weakness in its defenses, and that is the fact that it is not as widely known as the most recent iterations of the BMW 7 Series and the Mercedes-Benz S-Class, which are its primary competitors. This is the reason why it does not inspire the same level of excitement. There is only one engine available for the Audi, and it is a turbocharged V6 that produces 335 horsepower. Although it is quick and quiet, the BMW and the Benz also have turbocharged inline sixes that are more powerful. Every single one of them comes with a hybrid 8 that operates at 48 volts. On the other hand, the base price of the A8 is much lower than the base price of its competitors that are Euro flagships, and even purchasers with financial resources are aware of a good deal when they see one. When the opportunity presents itself, the engine of the A8 is nevertheless powerful enough to make use of its all-wheel drive chassis. This is especially true on lengthy highways that wind softly around the landscape. However, customers who simply can't come to terms with signing the check without a V8 engine under the hood and a sharper chassis below can check out its high-performance S8 brother, which we assess separately. The available dynamic all-wheel steering boosts its capabilities, but buyers who just can't come to terms with it should look into the S8. Only a turbocharged V6 engine with 335 horsepower and a hybrid system that operates at 48 volts is available as an engine choice. A turbocharged V8 engine with a rating of 563 horsepower is used in the more athletic S8, all-wheel drive and an automatic transmission with 8 gears are included as standard equipment. The A8 was able to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 5.3 seconds when it was in our possession, which was a few tenths slower than the most recent 6-cylinder Mercedes-Benz S500 that we tested. The engine of the Audi is a smooth operator above all else, due in part to the significant sound deadening measures that have been implemented. In addition, because all 331 foot-pounds of torque is accessible at a low 1,370 revolutions per minute, you do not need to flog the engine throughout regular driving in order to extract zippy acceleration. As is the case with all Audi sedans, the A8 comes standard with an adjustable air suspension and adaptive dampers. Additionally, the A8 is adjusted for a brand-specific balance of athleticism and ride comfort that goes beyond the empirical characteristics listed on the spec sheet. When it comes to full-size luxury sedans, generous interior space and passenger comfort are non-negotiable requirements. The A8's broad wheelbase ensures that both front seat and rear seat passengers are well accommodated. The base configuration is a classic 5-passenger arrangement. However, a 4-passenger seating package is offered as an option for wealthy owners who intend to spend the most of their time in the rear seat with a hired hand behind the wheel. In addition to removing the rear center sitting position, it offers a set of power-adjustable back seats that are equipped with heating, ventilation, and massage, as well as a heated foot massage function and a pair of individual entertainment tablets. Be mindful of the fact that the number of power adjustments available to the front passenger will decrease as a result of all of the backseat luxury. In a similar vein, the trunk capacity of 13 cubic feet is less than impressive for a large luxury car. The material quality is really high, and there are a great deal of leather variations available, in addition to a selection of wood inlays that may be enough to cover an entire forest. On the other hand, the inside atmosphere is somewhat subdued and not as extravagant as that of the Mercedes S-Class, reflecting the exterior design of the Audi A8.